Every day, millions of traders open charts. They add RSI, MACD, moving averages, Bollinger Bands. Then they ask one question: should I buy? But almost nobody asks, what is this chart trying to tell me? If I asked you to analyze this chart, most traders would immediately start looking at the indicators. RSI, MACD, moving averages, Bollinger Bands, hoping one of them tells them whether to buy or sell. But what if I told you?
Everything you need is already hidden inside price.
Take a look at this chart. There isn't a single indicator on the screen. Yet, this single candle already tells us a story. Every candle represents a battle between buyers and sellers. Indicators don't create price. Every RSI value comes from price. So if we can learn to read price first, everything else becomes easier. Whenever I open a chart, I don't ask whether it's a buy or a sell. I ask three simple questions. Question number one: what is price doing? Is it moving higher, lower, or simply moving sideways? Question number two: where are buyers and sellers reacting? And finally, what are the most recent candles trying to tell me? That's it. Before I look at a single indicator, I already have a complete picture of the market. Let's test something. Forget everything you know about indicators. Look only at this chart. What do you notice first? Don't answer immediately. Most beginners immediately search for an entry. Professionals first try to understand the story. Then they ask, why did buyers react here? Only then do they look at the latest candle. Remember, indicators aren't the enemy, but they should never be the starting point. Read price first. Understand the story. Then let indicators confirm your idea. That's how we'll learn to read charts on this chart. Remember, indicators can help you make decisions, but price tells you the story.